What's a sea cucumber? God, what is that? What is that? Well, they're chicken feet. They're preparing the bowls back there, look. It's one big bowl factory. Now you may be asking yourself, well, how the hell did Phantom fireworks and Goodwill t-shirts end up in Bangkok? Just landed in Chinatown. We're gonna have a little look around, see what there is to do here. We've already found some feet fish. Look at that. Now they're ready for your trotters in there. Look at the food here. All the soups are laid out, look. How much is one? $4. But it's already ready, look at this. Some big old fish waiting in there to be eaten. Yeah, so let's have a look down the street, see what it's all about. I think it's like one huge block with lots of streets. Oh yeah, look. It's like the Indian repair stuff, except we're in Chinatown in Thailand. Wow. Yeah, they're fixing things that normal people regularly just throw in the trash. And that's pretty cool because it's a lost art. I like watching things like that. Wow. Alright, well, we found some food so far. Let's see what else we can find. Oh yeah, I think we've found the main street here. I'm seeing a lot of these gold stores, look. There's endless gold chains going all the way along. And a lot of these stores are very busy. I'm wondering if people come here with gold and exchange it for the local currency. Gold and silver is king, who knows? Oh yeah, we got a walkway only over there. Shall we go there? Okay, we're hitting the market now. We're hitting the market. So much seafood. It's seafood mania. Bananas, little bananas. Some snackers, Chinese snackers. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah, this market's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it was just one block, as I mentioned earlier, but it's starting to seem like a little labyrinth of various stores selling various things. Even the Gucci bags. Wow. So I've noticed generally it's a little more expensive here, but I don't know if that's because the ingredients are perhaps imported. I'm not sure. Maybe the Chinese do a great cuttlefish, and it's hard to get cuttlefish in Bangkok. I'm not sure. Maybe that's why the prices are a little higher. But who knows? I don't. I got some Adidas flip-flops there. Look at this. Oh, I think we're sharing with a bike. Let's let the bike through. He's delivering his packages. Probably to a market stall or a trader or something.
I think it seems to be, this looks more like a Thai market, but the Chinese one is probably the other side, the one who was in.
I'm seeing a mix of Thai and Chinese down here. Check it out, look. Goodwill t-shirt. Now you may be asking yourself, well, how the hell did Phantom fireworks and Goodwill t-shirts end up in Bangkok? It's a lovely question, isn't it? Of which I do know the answer to, so let me explain. So living in America, if you care to do the research, you do learn a lot of things. And when people give to charity, places like Goodwill and bigger charities, actually most charities, all the stuff they cannot sell goes to like an outlet center where they charge by the pound in weight. Let's get out of this ice cream bin. Now, if it cannot sell in the outlet center, then they bundle it up into packages and sell it very cheap to countries around the world, third world countries, second world countries, and various other places. So when you donate something, you think you're donating it to charity, whereas it just gets sold on to another market vendor in another country, reselling it on to people of those countries. So when you think you're donating, just like when you press that extra, like round it up to the nearest dollar, I think the charities see maybe 1 to 5% of that if they're lucky. So that's sort of the reality of donating clothing and money to charity. Always be careful. If you want to donate something, go to the country and do it yourself. That's what I always say. Or crossing the street like in Vietnam. You just got to pick your opportunity and go. Although that one looked pretty simple. Alright, so we went the other way and it turned into a Thai market. So I'm hoping this way will continue to be a Chinese market. But who knows, I'm not sure. Can you, oh, I'm smelling different smells though. I'm smelling different stuff. Is that pickled cabbage? Hello, pickled cabbage. Spicy pickled cabbage. Oh, that looks mean. That'll put you on the toilet, won't it? Each of them individually already put you on the toilet. Imagine a combination of both. Oh wow. Some snackers. Wow, look at these huge bags. That's 8. You can get that whole bag for 800. How much is that? So there's 31 Thai baht to $1. So just over. Oh yeah. This is like collard greens. I forget what we call that in England, but we call it collard greens. Egg noodles? Yeah. What do we call collard greens in the UK? Just greens, right? I don't know. Maybe we call them by the raw ingredients like spinach and things like that. I don't know. I'm too Americanized now. I forgot. I'm forgetting my words. A lot of food here. So it looks like this section is more like you buy the ingredients to cook yourself. But there are some things you can also buy ready to eat as well. Oh wow. I think I saw some Jamaica. Oh, what is this? What's a sea cucumber? No way. Isn't there a law against sea cucumber?
Dry squid.
Oh, dry squid. Oh, I've seen fresh squid and dry squid. The flies love the mushrooms. I'm not sure why. Yo, what have you seen? Shark? And what the heck? I think we saw that in a video. Some Asian girl was munching on that, and it looked like a big penis. But I think that was to get like TikTok views or something. Wow, what a market, huh? Wow, so many things I've never seen before. So yeah, so what is it about a sea cucumber? Can you eat a sea cucumber? Or is it just frowned upon to catch one? I'm not really sure. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Whoa, they're chicken feet. You notice that you go to a market in Asia and everything's different. That's a good chicharron though, look at that. Pork scratching, look at my hand. Oh wow. That's almost all of Porky Pig right there. Oh, this is pretty cool, isn't it? I like the neon signs. I bet it's really nice at nighttime. Roasted watermelon kernels. Oh, most people swallow them and take them for the team or pick them out. I bet they'd be pretty good roasted, wouldn't they? What is that? I'm seeing mystery meats here. Are we going to take something? Okay, get in there. Watch out! What are we buying here? Little kielbasa there. Not sure what these are. Yeah, there's some weird like faux meat. I think it's meat. They say it's meat, but it don't fully taste like meat, if that makes sense. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a fish ball. Are you getting something? 80? Okay. Okay, well, there's your average price. So they have what look like boiled pork balls, I guess, or you can get them fried. I guess we're gonna see what we get here. So while we wait for that, it's quite busy. I think things that are busy are a good omen, good sign. But you'll notice in a lot of the restaurants and shops they'll have pictures of various royals of the country there. So we have well, what looks like the Queen Mother and the old king. And that's actually quite common. You'll see that in most places. People are, well, I think they have to be royalists, really. Otherwise you get thrown in the slammer. Well, at least you can't say anything bad. Alright, here we go. How many did you get? 6. Oh, they're quite big. They're preparing the balls back there, look. So, one big ball factory.
That's why my face.
Okay, we're doing the taste test. Next to this huge bag of chicharron. Wow. They must make these fresh every day because they get soft quite fast, right? Okay.
One.
Oh, one. Okay, wow. So it came with vinegar, which is very Filipino actually. Okay. It's a bit weird, but it's okay. What do you think? Yeah, approve.
I mean, I tried this before.
What is it called?
No mind.
Shumai. I have some shumai. So I bought these. I think they're made of rice, but they're green, so maybe they added some matcha, but I can't taste that. Little green rice rings with sesame seeds, and they gave me some syrup. It's kind of like maple syrup without the maple flavor, but they're actually pretty good. I'm not sure what's with the banana leaf, but yeah, they taste pretty nice.
สวัสดีค่ะขอเรียน
Not bad. There's a better view. Okay, we're having a tactical snack break.
Try a bit. Oh yeah, I love it.
Pretty flavorful. What is it? It's pork. It's kind of like what we had before, but in soup, and you have some greens in there. No food or drink. Oh, it's a good job you bought it from here. Yeah, look at the seasonings they add when you buy food. Kind of chilies, chili flakes, but then they have sugar. You never really see sugar. It's usually salt. So I thought that was pretty interesting. He has a restaurant inside a restaurant. It's like restaurant inception. Look at that. He's cooking some organs. I don't know what it is, but some suspicious things going on. But I'm sure it tastes nice. Wow. Well, we're just wrapping up our little visit to Chinatown here. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Normally when we go to a Chinatown, say in the UK or America, it's quite commercial. And what I mean by that is there's not many street food vendors. Everything has its place and it's less, I don't know, less unique, but it feels like here you can kind of get lost in all the alleyways that is Chinatown. And yeah, we had a pretty good time here. We're just buying some of these menthol things from this shop. She's asking about acupuncture, so we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, this is Chinatown in Bangkok. What do you think? Wow. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Alright. What's happening now?